Hi everybody, it's Sal Pierre, and I'm here with my business partner.
Hey everyone, Alex Athey here.
We're coming to you from AI Exosphere's headquarters in Orlando, and today we're going to be sharing with you the headline skills. Now, the headline skills, we have two variations currently. One is keyword based, so if you don't really know or just want to kind of generate ideas about different headlines using the keyword for your business, product, service, brand, or just whatever you're writing, or if you know exactly what you want, or you have competitors' headlines that you want to create more powerful headlines than them or similar, you can use our second headline generator, where you would provide a satellite writer with two different prompts, headlines of different variations, and then they'll spitball. Let's just choose one of them and I'll show you how this works.
I'll start with the one based off a single keyword.
All right, so as you can see through the generation window, you'll have some notes on what the skill actually does and your cost usage. And on the right-hand side, you'll have developer notes written by yours truly, Alex Athey.
Laboriously and slowly. I hope you appreciate them.
If you have spelling, grammar issues like we've had on a few videos here, there is autocorrect, but you could also use the microphone. There is a microphone key that will let you speak directly to Satellite Writer and input your prompt. Don't be shy, speak into it and Haley will translate and it will be put into that box. Here we're just going to grab a keyword that's from the developer node so you can kind of see how this works, and then we'll drop it right in there and just generate, and you'll see this process. It will tell you what's going on. Our satellite needs to adjust in order to provide you the information. Then you'll get this output box, which will have different headline examples that are based on that keyword, and you can scroll up and down. You also have recommended skills that you could always go to more information, but for this case, we're just going to finalize.
I say these are good too. If you're doing a fitness blog, a lot of these are strong statements about squats, which is what you're going to want for your customers anyway. You want attention-getting headline.
And once you finalize, boom, the headlines are right there in the editor. You can edit, you can save, you can download in. As all our generations, you get many generations, as well as images, related images. You can also always listen and download the audio file as well. So if it's like a spokesperson video that you're trying to make or something along those lines, you'll get those files too. On the bottom of the images that it search based on the keyword, you do have a search bar so you can search for other related images. If you're doing an article, maybe you want to put more than 3 pictures in it because you're a visual person like myself. You could just search for additional pictures. You could always refresh the pictures too, because we will provide additional resources for images. At the bottom, as always, you could download all of the files, including the images, the Word document, text document, PDF. I mean, the only thing he didn't put in there is like a weird file that nobody uses. So you'll get all the Word and text document will be ready for publishing. With that being said, thank you so much for joining us on this quick tutorial on how to use our headline generation tool.
Hey, thank you very much. Have fun.
Bye-bye.